I just got this clip-on light from Glocusent for free to check out so you can see what's in the box and what I think about it. Here it is. I've got it clamped onto my desk. I'm going to show you the controller, why I think this is really cool, and what I'm going to do with it. I think I'm going to give it to my kids and put it in their room. Let me show you top down what we're working with. So basic controller, we got on and off right here. We got a screen, which we don't always see on some of their products, and I do like this. We've got this button right over here, changes from 27 to 4,000 to 6,000 Kelvin, just that temperature from daylight down to soft. We've got a timer for sleep. It just goes 0, 30, or 60 minutes. And then we go from 5%, 10%, 20%, 50%, 100% brightness right there. And then we got a pretty cool feature right here. This top button is a night light. So if I've got this off, I can still have this night light if I've got it in the kids' room that shines on this side of the device itself. The quality is really good. And let me tell you, here, let me show you this down on my desk. This thing is a super, super heavy duty clamp. I mean, I've got to really I've got to squeeze pretty hard. So it's going to clamp on really well to pretty much anything, and then it's not going anywhere. Now, this is not a good use case because the bevel, I've got a beveled edge on my desk right here, so I don't really have a smooth place. It's kind of coming up right there. But even so, with that beveled edge, I can get it into place and maneuver this because this is also pretty heavy duty, and it is just going to sit here. So this is nice. I'm going to put this in my kid's room. My 6-year-old he's on the bottom bunk bed, and this is going to work well clamped onto the top of the bunk bed that like overhangs him. There's some boards and slats that this will clip on nicely to because he's been wanting to read in bed at night, and I applaud him for that. I will support him and enable him in that. And if he really wants it, we can put this extra nightlight on as he goes to sleep also. Oh, they already have a nightlight in there. So I've been impressed with this. Hope that's helpful for you. Thanks again to Glocusent for sending this over. Have a great one.